Hey guys, what's going on here? Confirming I'm back with another 2-minute technicals looking at Bitcoin. As we could tell later, yesterday we were talking about, later in the week we were supposed to get our move up to around the 24 to 25K region, and it came pretty sharp and pretty fast. As you can see, we're literally sitting here at the 60 on the RSI. I was always talking to you guys about how we get to the 786. We always get to the 786 at the 60. And what are we doing right now? We're sitting at exactly that. So we're going to find out if Bitcoin has any more steam in it in order to push itself higher to the upside. It wouldn't really shock me if we wind up coming back down to the 20-day right here. And this is where it is. If it were to drop back down, it would make sense, but that would kind of suck. As you know, that would wind up just drawing us out into a longer trend. Either we come back down to this one that's forming on the upside, or we're going to wind up, meandering more sideways and drawing it out, until later in the year. But at the moment, we are, sitting above the 786, around $24,067, and that's exactly what we wanted to see. But came about 5 days early. That's a-okay. As you can see, this was the target, from the bottom of the trend to the top there, and right there. We did get our original target that we were kind of thinking about around 22,500. We were talking about hitting this upper trend, but it looks like we just blew through it with conviction, and now we're sitting above the 786. Remember that the 786 and 702 are very important. So what we're going to want to see is if we can meander in this short-term little trend here. If we zoom in. If we zoom in here, it looks like it'll still come out into the weekend because this is by days. If we can stay above the 786 here and move ourselves in accordance, we could get a nice little move. It'd be like this, and you'd break out and you get back up above this region by Friday, and you'd start retesting that. But if we're going to go into more detailed analysis, you're going to be seeing this. This is what you're going to be seeing. And then basically this is Tuesday morning, we're either going to get a push up to the upside, getting ourselves actually above there and getting to the high of $25,266, getting to our upper resistance, or we're going to come back and retest the 786 region exactly for support, and then it's meander sideways. So those are the two situations we're seeing right now. If we do lose the 786 region, I expect the 4-hour, actually even the 1-day chart actually to come back and hold us better than the 4-hour, because the 4-hour one is way further down. But we would come back down, and I would assume retest on top of this trend right here, around $22,459. We're up like 22% in the past 3 days. So just to keep it in the back of your head that we're really overextended. So I would just be cautious if it does reject from here to see it come down to that 20-day moving average. Or if we're able to, we could meander sideways, like I said in here, and steadily this 20-day moving average will move up, and it'll become a higher standard for us to have that sort of price stability. But hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, look out for this 60 on the RSI, and look out for us holding this $24,062. If not, just at 23 and a half. But all right, have a good one. Remember, it's not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.